So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome. That was the box. And yes, if you're returning, welcome back guys. So in today's video, as you can see by the thumbnail, I do have BoxyCharm, the base box for the month of May, along with, you guessed it, the add-ons. So if you want to see what I got in my base box for the month of May, then by all means, please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, thank you for being here. Again, my name is Stephanie for the newcomers, and I know we do have a lot of newcomers, and I want to say welcome to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being here. And of course, thank you to my OGs, my ride or dies, the people who are always with me and have been with me forever. Thank you so much to you guys, just as much as the new people. Everyone in this community matters oh so much to me. This is a makeup channel, but it's more than a makeup channel. It's a place to come to be yourself, to not be judged, to relax, to kick back, forget about the world for a little while, laugh, joke, you know, and maybe learn a couple of things, and definitely play in makeup, that's for sure. Do a ton of unboxings. I like to attempt at tutorials and show you how to put makeup on my eyes, and it could be a little tricky sometimes. So yeah, I mean, I have a couple tips and tricks that I am learning, and you know, it just keep learning more and more. So if you think that's something you get into, then please by all means subscribe. And for those of you who are watching or passing through, or you know, please remember to rate the video thumbs up, because it really does help to share me out. And yeah, we do a bunch of stuff guys. It's a very fun place. Okay, so enough jibber jabber, let's get into it. So we do have my BoxyCharm base box and a couple add-ons. I didn't go crazy this time, guys. I didn't make like 3 or 4 orders. Not that I think or remember. No, I don't think I did. Okay, so we have a couple things here. Oh, we do have three add-ons, so this should be lickety-split. I hope I don't keep you long in this video. We should get it done. Now, this is very interesting. I don't know what that sticker means. Does anybody? I've not seen that. Or if I did, I didn't notice it before. So yeah, if anybody knows why there's a sticker like that on there, please comment down below and let me know, because I have no idea. Oh no. Excuse me, because Carly's about to go in that box. Hang on. She will dig to China and it will make a heck of a noise. Hold on. Let's get into this bad boy. Let me open her up. As you can see, this is something I'm going to be doing, guys. Unless I go into the box to create a look with something that I know is in there, you're going to be seeing and I'm going to be showing you just like this. And there's a reason for that. And we will get into that further in another video. Not sure when. I'm getting everything together, but yes, I am. For the first time, you can see it is the definite sticker. Okay, so and I will be doing that for just about every box. Okay, and like, unless I know what's in it and I need to get to it. Okay, so like you saw as I just opened it. Okay, so let's pull this back. Oh, and we do have a card. Yay. Okay, so there you have that. Now, okay, and there's a little sneak peek. We do have a card, and the theme is Flourish. Took me a minute to figure it out for my premium. And yes, I'm still getting the premium. I wanted the ABH thingamajig, but I don't know. I think that was, I don't know what that was. Can you hear it? Hold please. Sorry guys. I feel bad. Like I think she's, you know, digging for no reason. But anyway, the theme is Flourish. And I'll look over there. And there's the variation, guys. I will hold it up for you. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so, all right, let's just take this big guy. I think I picked this. I'm pretty sure. This is Environmental Shield City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. What does this do? Murad. I do like Murad, some of it. I don't know about this one. I have the cleanser and the moisturizer. It's a vitamin C. So, usually the yellow is vitamin C, but this doesn't seem to be like that. But hang on, let me read about it. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electric devices. I'm sorry, she's playing, guys, and it's so cute, but I gotta wreck it right now. I feel like the bad mommy. She's chewing on her tail. My cat is about to be 4, guys, and she still hasn't realized that her tail is connected to her body. She hasn't. She bites it every time and then licks it because she hurts herself. Anyway, it has one of these pump things where you push down on it, very bougie, okay? Most of the time, and I will say, if I open this up, it's probably going to be up here. I don't know. Like, for instance, the row dial, right? Sorry for all that banging. But see this? very deceiving, because that's all that's in it. See that hole? That's as deep as it goes. The lip is up to here. So, I mean, if I were to push on that, it would stop right there. Real rap. Seriously, guys. I've tried it on the other one. Once I was done, I'm like, why is it? I just used a little bit. What happened? It was gone. So I don't know if this one is like that too, but hopefully no. Okay, so especially for the price, and I'm about to tell you. Here we go. Detoxify and revitalize skin overnight. A daily dose of pollution and blue light from electric devices can accelerate visible signs of aging. This breakthrough formula contains supercharged antioxidants that neutralize pollutants and strengthen skin's barrier while you sleep. Okay, so I'm all down for stuff that works while you sleep. That is valued at $74. Holy moly. Okay, all right, so this is the second product, and this is Hottie Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. I don't flat iron my hair. I don't use any heat, no blow dryer, no nothing. So this is a waste of a product for me anyway. I'm sure somebody will be happy to get this. It's a lightweight spray, protects dry hair from heat styling with curling, straightening, and styling irons up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. MSRP is $27, okay? Then we have this, which is Mellow Liquid Lip Gloss, Mellow Cosmetics. Here we have this, and this is in the shade Saint-Tropez, okay. Wow, these glasses, oh, God, they're getting me nauseous, they're so bad. Saint-Tropez, okay, so here's the color, which is a little bricky for me, I think. It doesn't look like it on camera. I mean, well, on camera it's looking a little browner than it actually is. This has, I guess, I want to say this has more of a red undertone, so I don't know about this. Definitely, I have so many lippies. So if I'm looking at a lippy and I'm not sure about it, then it's probably going to go in a giveaway, okay? But let me just tell you, it says, get ready to spice up your lips. This ultra glossy, non-sticky formula has a unique, smooth feel. It can be worn alone or over any lipstick. With added goodness of vitamin E and avocado oil, the Saint-Tropez shade is the perfect mauve and is cruelty-free, vegan, and paraben-free. So I had that wrong, but that doesn't, you know, when I think of mauve, I kind of think like, I don't know, almost like this maybe, or this. This is mauve. See the difference in the color? This to me is not mauve. This is absolutely mauve, and it's what I have on my lips today. This is actually my skin color, but my lip color, I mean. Yeah, so my lips are these colors. That's what I'm trying to say. Wow. Okay, spit it out, Steph. And this is valued at $18. Okay, so there you have that. Oh, no, don't fall. Okay. And it fell anyway. It's me, not a pod person. Hold, please. I have a whole bag of lippies down the side of me. I had to take it off my table so I had room. If it got messed up with there, I'd never find it. Okay, so there we have that again. That's $18. Now, we do have these. I don't know about that, but that's an awful bright, and oh, they're pointy. From Lavish. I kind of figured because, yeah, Lavish is very colorful. So we have Lavish Essential Eye Collection. The Essential Eye Collection contains 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes to create the most subtle or dramatic looks. MSRP on these? I can't believe I just said MSVP. The RMSP, the retail value, is $30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's $6 per brush. Yeah. I see, like, okay, let me just show you. This is why I got a little, like, what the heck, man? You can splurge on another brush, but I mean, you only need but so many of these, and I never use them. I really don't. Like, I don't do my eyebrows with them, but I guess for someone who does use, like, pomade or some kind of, like, cream product, these things would be good, but honestly, that's not very thin, right? I mean, I've seen liner brushes that are way thinner than that. Like, guys, that's not thin at all. I mean, that's pretty darn thick. Anyway, we do have one of those. There is a angled brush right here, this one right there, and then this is the dreaded pencil brush, and then we do have a blender, and then we do have a shader. I'm assuming, yes, that is a shader. You see how that's like flat there? Wait, this one, where is it? Right there. The short one is flat and then kind of wide. So, I don't need another pair of brushes. Wow. And me saying, because I'm a brush person, and I actually like the wrapper it's in, though. So weird. I know I'm weird. Oh, for all my new family members out there, just know I'm a little strange, but it's cool. Okay. All right. So, this again is $30. And now, we have did I pick this? I don't remember. Oh, no, we only got one choice. Okay, so I don't know if everybody got this, so let's open her up. This is from Cab Cosmetics, which I just saw in my, I believe, in my Marshalls. Or the Marshalls that I own, the one and only I ever went to. I have one by my house, guys. I don't know if I said, I may have said it in another video, but I do. I have one that is closer, not closer. Yes, closer, and I never knew it was there. How about that? Anyway, and it's right around the corner from TJ Maxx. What the heck? But anyway, all right, so this is Cab Cosmetics Day and Night palette. Now, I don't know what this is going to look like. Okay, no. No. It's springtime. What happened? Where's the springtime colors? Boxy, come on, man. Spring. This is like a fall palette. That's what it reminds me of. A definite fall palette. Yeah, I don't need another fall palette. I have a ton of them. So, I mean, I've never tried Cab Cosmetics. And honestly, I'm really not drawn to this palette. Not really. No. I mean, no. Okay, no, definitely not. Okay, well, anyway, let's just read about it. It says, Cab Cosmetics Night and Day Eyeshadow Palette. This palette has a new formula. Okay, so why? Was there something wrong with the old formula? I'm assuming. New formula and new sustainable packaging. Okay, so that's awesome. With 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both day and night, all in one product. Use the softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime looks and play around with the bolder, darker shades for a more nighttime look. And this is valued at... Oh, no. Okay. I am very sorry. I mean, I'm not saying this is an ugly palette by any means. I'm just saying that I'm not drawn to it. I mean, it could very well be blown away. It could be better than Jeffree Star's formula. I don't know. It did say it's a new formula. So there you have it. Now, I will leave the total of the box right here, guys. And yeah, let's just recap. We have the $52 Cab eyeshadow palette, Day and Night. We have the Hottie Toddy that I won't use. We do have the Murad, which I did pick, and I'm kind of happy about that. And then we have the Lavish brushes, which I'm kind of brushed out. I never thought I would say that. Maybe I am coming out of my brush addiction. And the fourth product, where's 1, 2, 3? Oh, 5 products. Okay. The fifth product is the Mellow Lip Gloss. So, yeah, I don't know. What's your favorite product in this box? Would you be happy if you got all this stuff in a box? Well, my least favorite product is this because I can't use it. So that's just a waste of a product. I'm not, hating the brushes, but I have so many that I won't use these. Somebody will get these, that's for sure. These will be passed along in a giveaway. Not my shade of lip gloss. No, I have so many lippies. And it's definitely not, that is mauve. To me, that's a mauve. I don't know. I don't know. I think I'm most excited about this because I'm definitely not drawn to the palette. But so again, one product that I will use, but I did only pay $25 for the box, and this is retailed at $74. So I kind of did get my money's worth in this box. I wish I had gotten a little more of my money's worth, but hey, you can't win them all the time, right? This is why we get subscription boxes, and we never know what we're gonna get. Okay, so there you have that. Now, I just quickly want to move on. I only have 3 products, guys. And I wanted to use this palette tonight, but I was like, oh, because I really like this shirt. So guess what? I went on a Walmart haul. Y'all want to see that? If you want to see what I got at Walmart, my little haul, it's not that much. Comment down below and I'll do a quick video with it. Because I got a lot of good deals. That's why. And I want to tell you how much I paid for things. You're going to be like, no way. Yes way. My Walmart is kind of awesome with those racks and stuff. Holy crap. Okay, so what I did get in the add-ons is... I did get a Natasha Denona. This is Mark Your Liquid Lips and the shade Gazelle. Okay, Gazelle. Now, and Gazelle is this shade. Now, I did get a lighter shade, I believe. I'm trying to save that for a giveaway. But I do have this color, which I kind of like that. And I don't have any Natasha Denona. Is this a gloss or a liquid lip? Yes, liquid lipstick. Matte. It's a matte liquid lipstick, so I'm cool with that. I do like if I do liquid lips, which is most of the time, I will. Oh, I got a beautiful. You guys probably saw it already. That beautiful shade. Again, thank you, Holly. It is amazing. I love it, and it feels really nice on the lips. Just saying. That's the first add-on I got. I don't remember how much I paid for it, guys. Then I got this, which is very unusual because I do not get these for myself. But this is the all-in-one body treatment super buffer for him. Men's, okay? Now, I don't know what it smells like, because... Oh, it smells like cologne. It does. It smells nice. I like it. So, okay, there you go. All right, we got that for the man in my life. Okay, so now, we have the Jubilee palette. Now, I was kind of like, what am I supposed to do with that? But I did watch a couple of her tutorials, okay? And some of the things she did with it were very unusual, like you would not expect. But this is not a black. People think it's a black, and it's not. And I don't see, that's, okay. This is the thing I don't like. When you get her shadows, you see this down here? This is fallout from the pans. I don't know. It happens a lot with Natasha Denona's shadows. Guys, comment down below. I asked my dear friend, my moderator, and she was like, but do you need that? And I was like, I don't need anything, but I have a $20 credit for Beautylish. And I'm kind of liking that Zendu palette, kind of, sort of. Or just the Sunset palette. I really liked the Natasha Denona Sunset. Anyway, a $65 palette over on Beautylish with the $20 credit would only be $40. So what do you think? You think that's a deal? Okay, let me just tell you my favorite shade in this palette, okay? First of all, I'm really loving this cool, it's kind of like a cool tone brown, but I'm really liking it for the crease as like a transition. I don't want to drop this. I'm going to drop it. Okay, hold on. Let me just get it. Okay, I'm really digging this shadow. You know me, my pinks and corals. And these two shimmers, I don't know about this one. It would be kind of cool. Like, I don't think you could really deepen up anything because it is blue and it would kind of change. Like, if you add blue and yellow, you'll get green, right? So if you put blue and brown together, that's just going to muddy up. So, and it's very dark. So I would absolutely have to use this probably as a liner like she did. She didn't use this in the crease. She didn't dark anything up with it. Not that I saw anyway. I don't know. You, like, you know, if it was a black, I would say absolutely you can definitely use it to darken up. But anyway, I've heard that this is a little tricky, but I'm telling you guys, little trick that I found out, it is not my tip. I got it from Annette's Makeup Corner. If you use the NYX Glitter Primer, or any primer, not glue, not the glue. It is the NYX Glitter Primer, and it looks like this. Okay, I have it right here. I believe the top is off, yes, because I didn't put it back on. But it comes like this. It is NYX Glitter Primer, right? You squeeze it out in the back of your hand, you take a flat shader brush, any flat shader brush, and you dip it in, and you put it on. You can absolutely do like a cut crease with it. It dries clear, and take your brush. This is a tip now. I'm going to show you in one of my videos. You put it on, and then you take the brush with the product that's left on the brush, and you go into your palette. Now, it doesn't cause hard pan, okay? Like you would if you sprayed it and then tapped it in there. It doesn't do that. I've not seen her say anything about that, and I've not seen it happen to me. And then you just pat on the shimmers or swipe them on where you want them. And this stuff, guys, if you have... It just foils shimmers. It makes them so much more vibrant, so much more bam, like, love it. Love it, love it. Again, not my tip. That is all Annette's Makeup Corner, but I have tried it and it does work. So, just saying. So I'm really going to try and get into that blue shadow that a lot of people were saying that it wasn't as vibrant as they thought it was going to be. The yellow absolutely is, so I've heard. So I'm interested in creating a look with this. I really am. I was like, well, I'm going to get it to put it in a giveaway. I don't know. So I'm not sure. Maybe I can get my hands on another one on swap and we could do a giveaway. I could do a look. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Fingers crossed, okay? All right, guys. So that is my BoxyCharm haul and base box for the month of May. Actually, these are April's add-ons, but what did you get? Did you get anything from the pop-up? Did you get anything from the add-ons this month for coming in June? Or... let me know in the comment section below. As always, guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. And please remember to rate the video thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. And also remember, if there's something that you are going through or, you know, you're got something on your mind, please share about it. And be that person when asked to listen, that you listen. Be that person that does listen. But most of all, in this crazy mixed up world, guys, please remember, stay safe, okay? Till the next one. See ya.